What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial, animal tutorial. Today, a duckling, right? I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going for full body for this one because it fits nicely. So we're going to start with the head, particularly the eye, right? So we're just up here, top left hand corner of my page, center point here, up over to the right. Start with the eye. So what we'll do is we'll go around, curve it around like this, right, on top. And then goes down around here, around the back. So our iris is kind of just in here, right? So it kind of curves around like so, and we're sort of dark black here around these spots. And then his pupil, just a circle. Color black, like so. So if you want, you can add a highlight, right? So kind of like drawing a highlight just up here. And then you like add some shade just around the eyelid, right? So just coming around the eye here. You leave that white when you're coloring. There's another way of doing it. You would color things and add some white paint or Tipex just on top, right? So there's lots of different ways of doing it. So then kind of like eyelid line, just sort of coming around the back. Around here, okay? Just kind of these furry sort of eyelash sort of things going down that way. So the beak is over here, and it's about an eye in the distance, right? So the width of his eye here will go over again. So this, you'll measure this, and you want to be able to fit it here. And then you'll just do a sort of a hairy sort of curved line just here. Right, like that. And then we have this spike on it. And I'm doing it hairy because he's all furry and stuff. There. And then the beak will come out the front. Like so. And we'll bring it around. And then, so we have two sort of sections to the beak, right? So the top of his mouth kind of here, top of the beak, right? Back up to this sort of corner of his mouth, and it's all fluffy there as well. And then the bottom comes out from here, round and up. And you'll have these sort of little sort of edge lines kind of to his beak here. Maybe something else on top here as well. And then we have a nostril, kind of like a raindrop sort of shape there. And then it'll have some sort of edge lines and things on it. Like so. So, big fluffy head now. So, again, you can do a smooth line if you want, but I would recommend doing a sketchy sort of line like this to make him look kind of hairy, fluffy, you know, like that, going around like that. Some people might like to do it just like more cartoonish sort of, and it's okay. You could just go, okay, without doing all this sketching stuff. Right, like that. Then his chin come in under here. And this kind of disappears into his body. It's nearly all one line, you know. So then just on his head, we'll add some extra lines for his eyebrows and things. So just these sorts of coming around his eye. Then line going back this way. just these sorts of texture lines, right? Just to make them, all this area look a little bit furrier. So that it actually has a little bit of hair on it. Right, so kind of like that. You don't have to do too much of that. So the body, out around to a tail and back up, right? So ducklings are like real fluffy, right? So you do that same thing again, right? So we're going all the way around here. Around the top. Going this way, okay? Now he has a leg sticking out here, but we'll just get the main shape in first. So we go back all the way to like a fluffy tail. So we'll have to draw a leg over that line, but we'll just get everything sort of. Right, general shape. Then we have a little bit of a wing, just kind of here, like a tiny little wing. Just kind of got some lines joining it too. Do the body, and like again, we'll add some kind of hair lines just to show that he's a bit furry. Following the shape of his body. And you can do as much of this as you'd like. Put some on his wing as well. Right, so his leg comes out from here, but we have to do sort of like his thigh, sort of, that like bulges a little bit. So it's like got this kind of, you know, leg sort of thigh area. Right, little duck thigh. Right, so in here is where his thigh is. And his leg will come out from here, okay? So let's just go for it. So we'll go curves out. The back of it kind of sticks out here. Then we go down, round, round. I'll just zoom in on the leg here so I can see. Yes, we got some bumps and stuff, right? So like a little like his, I guess his heel there. And then we've 3 webbed toes, but we're looking at them side on, okay? So we'll do the middle one first. So it like bumps down here. Down, right, like that. And then this will like bump back into there, right? And he has like a sharp, yeah, they have these like sharp toes. Right, like that. And of course the webbing then will go out from there and up to that one, because we're looking at side on, right? So this toe will go back behind, and then this toe will come down. And we got a sharp claw there, and then this goes around. He's kind of walking around like so. Put a claw on this one as well. Right, so then he has all this sort of texture, right? So on the webbing and on the toes as well, this stuff. And then he's got like a little toe back here, sticking out, with a little claw on it, up there. And then you can put some texture lines, some like skin wrinkle lines and stuff. All on that. And of course erase this line here for his body. I'll do that now. Right, so putting his best foot forward, so here. So we'll go legs sort of sticking out here, right? And then kind of steps out, bit of a curve. And then we'll start with that middle toe again. So it goes out this way. And then it goes down, and then we have a claw sticking out here, and then this goes around to the webbed toe there, and then this goes kind of this way and up, and then the next toe here with the claw round, and again we got like his heel, but this heel, it's that, but it's hitting the ground now, so it's like here, and then his, what can only be described as like a thumb. I know they don't have thumbs, but it's like another little toe or something. Texture. And we can see like the third toe just in behind this. Like so. Right, and then clean up some of your lines if you want. Yeah, thicken up some lines that you want to stand out, make stand out. Add some more texture on them if you want. Right. But I think I'll leave it there. That is how to draw a duckling. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.